Ever step outside onto your patio and just feel nothing? Like it's just a slab of concrete with a couple of lonely chairs. A space you should use but never really do? You're not alone. But what if I told you that in 2026, your outdoor space is no longer just an afterthought? It's the most important room in your home? A place not just for weekend barbecues, but for morning coffee that actually tastes better, for quiet evenings that truly recharge you, and for connection that feels genuine. This year, we're ditching the generic and embracing the soulful. Welcome to Outdoor Oasis, stylish farmhouse patio transformations for 2026. We're not just talking about a makeover, we're talking about a lifestyle shift. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to weave modern comfort with timeless farmhouse charm to create an outdoor haven you'll crave all season long. Section 1. The 2026 Farmhouse Foundation, Beyond Shiplap and Galvanized Metal. So let's build our foundation. The 2026 farmhouse aesthetic is evolving. It's less about literal barn doors and more about a feeling, a blend of rustic warmth, clean lines, and a deep connection to nature. We're moving past strict themes into something more personalized and textural. Think of it as organic modern meets heritage comfort. The first key factor is material alchemy. Forget relying on one material. The magic happens in the mix. Pair the cool, contemporary feel of large format slate tiles with the incredible warmth of a reclaimed cedar pergola beam. Introduce woven rattan chairs against a smooth, polished concrete fire table. This contrast is what gives depth and soul. It's about materials that tell a story and feel good to touch. Next, we're seriously zoning the landscape. Your patio shouldn't be one big empty box. In 2026, we're creating intentional rooms. Imagine a dedicated conversation nook anchored by a deep-seated sectional around a fire feature. Then, a few feet away, a defined dining terrace under a pergola draped with sheer, weather-resistant curtains for ambience. And don't forget a solitude spot, a single perfect reading chair tucked into a green corner. This zoning, a huge trend tied to outdoor living rooms, makes the space feel larger, more functional, and infinitely more inviting. It guides the flow of life and conversation naturally. And the third pillar of our foundation, architectural embrace. This is where we borrow from the house itself. Instead of a flimsy screen, use a large black grid window frame as a stylish partition to block wind or create privacy. Extend your interior flooring material a few feet out to truly blur the line between inside and out, a major trend for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Even the humble retaining wall can become a feature with a stacked stone finish that mirrors your home's chimney. By letting your home's architecture inform your patio choices, the transformation feels inevitable and deeply integrated, not like a random furniture prop in the yard. Section 2. Fresh Ideas for 2026, the trends you'll want to adopt. Now, for the truly exciting part, the fresh ideas that will set your space apart this year. First up, let's talk Rewilded Elegance. The manicured perfect garden is taking a back seat to a more natural, biodiverse approach. This means your planters and borders are filled with native grasses, flowering perennials that attract pollinators, and herbs allowed to flower. It's lush, it's soft, and it's buzzing with life. This rewilding trend isn't messy. It's intentional curation of nature. Frame it with clean, modern planter boxes, and suddenly, your patio feels like a serene fragment of the meadow. It's Farmhouse's inherent love of land, expressed through contemporary ecology. Technology is becoming our silent, helpful partner outdoors. Enter the smart sanctuary. We're seeing incredible integrations, like weather-activated pergola louvres that close automatically at the first drop of rain. Imagine motorized solar shades that lower with a voice command for instant shade. And lighting is everything. Think app-controlled systems where you can save scenes. Evening dinner, warm overhead. Firelight chat, all ambient. Or pathway for safety. This tech, often searched as AI-powered garden assistants or smart outdoor lighting, isn't flashy. It's about removing friction, so you spend less time fiddling and more time relaxing in your oasis. It's the ultimate modern convenience wrapped in rustic charm. Finally, the details that spark joy. Tonal and textured tablescapes. Move over bright red checkered tablecloths. The 2026 Farmhouse palette is grounded and earthy. Think sage, terracotta, oat, and deep charcoal. Your outdoor decor follows suit. Layer a nubby, linen table runner over a dark wood table. Use stoneware plates in varying shades of clay, paired with matte black flatware and linen napkins. Add centerpieces of dried pampas grass or a single dramatic magnolia leaf in a simple vase. This approach, aligning with the broader trend of quiet luxury outdoors, feels incredibly sophisticated yet utterly unfussy. It's about curated quality over quantity, creating moments of simple beauty that make everyday meals outside feel special. Section 3. Your invitation to transform, making it yours. So, where do you start? It can feel overwhelming, I know. But here's my challenge to you. Begin with a single zone. That one corner you always wish was better. Maybe it's creating that solitude spot with a single incredible chair and a side table for your coffee. Invest in one element that brings you profound comfort. For me, it was a proper, quality outdoor rug. It instantly defined the space and made it feel like a room. Your transformation doesn't have to happen all at once. Let it evolve, just like your home did. Remember, the ultimate goal of this 2026 Farmhouse Oasis isn't for it to be picture perfect for Instagram, though. Let's be honest, it will be. It's for it to be life perfect for you. It's about the smell of rain on warm stone, the sound of laughter echoing softly under string lights, the feeling of the sun on your skin as you dive into a book you just can't put down. This space is a gift to your well-being, a direct line to slower living and deeper connections. It's an antidote to the noise of the world. I want to see what you create. What's the first zone you're going to tackle? Is it the rewilded garden corner or the smart tech dining area? Drop your thoughts, your inspiration, or even your before pictures in the comments below. I read every single one. And if this video sparked even one idea for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more. We're building a community here, all about making our homes, inside and out, sanctuaries that fill us up. Thanks for spending this time with me. Now, go open that door, step outside, and imagine the possibilities. I'll see you in the next one.